In this video, I will show you how to fix PayPal error message, "Sorry, we could not confirm it's you." The PayPal error message, "Sorry, we could not confirm it's you," can occur due to various reasons such as device changes, location issues, or accurate verification problems. The first thing that you'll need to do is to use a trusted device. Log in using a device you've previously used with PayPal. Avoid using public Wi-Fi or VPNs as they can trigger security checks. Now after that, what you can do is to clear browser cache. Clear cookies and cache from your browser to ensure a fresh login attempt. Now if that doesn't work as well, you'll need to go ahead and verify your identity. Follow PayPal's instructions for identity verification, such as entering an OTP sent to your registered email or phone number. Now if that doesn't work as well, you can go ahead and check your IP address. Ensure your IP address is not flagged. You can check its reputation using tools like Symantec's IP removal. And the last option that you have is to contact PayPal support. If the issue persists, reach out to PayPal's customer service through their help center. Now if this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.